Hello traders, today we are uncovering FundedNext certificates. From Elite Trader to Crown Trader, Payout, Lifetime and Max Allocation. This will be a quick tutorial, so make sure to stick until the end. How do you get these certificates? Well, it's all automated through your FundedNext dashboard, and you can unlock them by achieving certain milestones. Let's get into it. But before that, try out the FundedNext trading environment for free. Sign up for our unlimited free trial account and test out the FundedNext trading environment for yourself. So, the first step of unlocking all the certificates is getting the Elite Trader certificate. You will unlock this by passing the Challenge Phase 1 in our Evaluation or Stellar 2-step account, completing the Stellar 1-step challenge, or receiving your first payout from the Express Challenge account. Ascend to royalty with the Crown Trader certificate upon your first payout in any FundedNext account. With that, you will receive the Payout certificate, which will be yours with each payout. After you hit 3 payouts in total, you will unlock the Lifetime certificate, showcasing the total earnings with FundedNext. And the last certificate for today is the Max Allocation certificate. This is unlocked by reaching a $300,000 account size. For example, if you have received $200K in the Express Non-Consistency FundedNext account and $100K in the Evaluation FundedNext account, you will have reached the maximum account size with FundedNext, making you eligible for the certificate. In countries where a maximum allocation limit is set, the stipulated amount will be deemed as the limit for max allocation. Alright, we got to the end of this video. Make sure to check out these new certificates on your FundedNext dashboard, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.